Revolutionize your notary workflow and embrace the future of legal document signing with Eversign. Step 1 is to start the signing process. Once logged into your Eversign account, you'll find clear options to begin for notaries. The most common starting point is uploading the document you need to have signed and notarized. Navigate to upload your document. Eversign supports a wide range of file types, making it easy to handle all your official paperwork. Simply drag and drop your file or select it from your computer. Once your document is uploaded, Eversign's intuitive editor comes into play here. You'll place signature fields for your client and, crucially, for yourself. As the notary, you can also add text fields for essential details like dates, names, and addresses. Locate the various field types in the left-hand panel. Drag and drop a signature field for your client where it's required. Then, you'll find dedicated notary fields, including areas for your official seal and an advanced notary block that can auto-populate relevant information. Assign each field to the correct party. The client's signature field is assigned to them, while the notary fields are assigned to you. This ensures the document flows logically through the signing process. Now, it's time to invite your client to sign. You'll enter their email address. Eversign will then send them a secure link to access the document. They can review and sign from any device, anytime, anywhere. Your client will receive an email and can easily follow the prompts to affix their signature and complete their part of the document. They'll be guided through each required field. Once your client has signed, you'll receive a notification. It's now your turn to complete the notarization. Open the document again within Eversign. You'll be able to review all signatures and then add your notarization details. Go to your assigned notary fields. You'll digitally sign and apply your unique notary seal. Completing the official record. Eversign ensures these actions are legally binding and auditable. With all parties having signed and your notarization complete, the document is finalized. You can then download the fully executed and legally compliant PDF for your records or to provide to your client. Streamline your notary work, enhance efficiency, and ensure compliance with Eversign's powerful e-signature platform.